The second generation AirTag, like the first gen, features 1 year battery life. But what happens when it's time to replace your battery? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that with no fluff. So to start, make sure your AirTag is removed from any sort of enclosures, and then flip it over so the rear metal cover with the Apple logo is facing you. And while holding the white portion of the AirTag in one hand, grip the metal back cover with a few fingers and twist counterclockwise. Let's do it again just so you can see that. So you just want to grip like this, twist counterclockwise to the left, and then that will release the back cover and reveal the battery underneath. Now you just want to dislodge the battery, properly dispose of it, make sure no children or pets get it, and then you want to grab your CR2032 replacement battery. And I'll have this link down below in the description, but here's what it looks like. And with the label facing up, drop the CR2032 battery into the AirTag, line up the rear cover with the 3 tabs, and now you want to twist clockwise, just like this, while gripping the white portion of the AirTag. Let me show you again. Line up the tabs, twist clockwise, and you'll hear a little chime indicating that the battery is properly installed. And if you appreciated this no-nonsense tutorial, leave a thumbs up.